Hey guys, welcome to Beauty 411. Today I'm going to be going over curls and basically beach waves, nothing too fancy. I recently bought the Conair hot rollers at Walmart, and this is what they look like. This is a little set it came in, and it also came with these clips here. And I just put mine in a bag so it's easier for me to put it in to get it heated and put it away when I'm all finished. But it comes with 3 different sizes. It comes with the large, the medium, and then the small barrel. And I'll show you how to use those and what different effects they give, the different sizes. Basically, I bought it at Walmart for $30 and I really like it. It's really fast and easy to use. It doesn't take as long as I guess curling your hair with a curling iron, and you can do other stuff while you're waiting for your hair to set. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, first we're going to comb our hair through, and then we're going to spray it with a thermal protectant. Then you're going to take your first section, should be about an inch. Then you're going to take your roller. I use the largest roller, and I wrap the hair around the roller and then roll it up to my scalp. You're going to clip that. And then my second section, I take it right behind the first section. Again, wrapping the hair around the roller and then rolling it up to your scalp. Once you finish rolling the top 4 sections, continue rolling the bottom using the medium-sized roller. Make sure you wrap the hair around the roller and roll it up to your scalp. After you finish with one side, repeat the same step with the other side of your head, using the same size rollers as the ones that you used on the other side. You want to make sure you're wrapping the hair around the roller and then rolling it up to your scalp, because that's how you get the waves. Now once you're finished rolling your entire head, just let it set. You can do your makeup, you can do chores around the house. You let it set for about 15 minutes. You can feel the rollers when they're cool. Once they're cooled down, then you can take them off. Now when you take off the rollers, just let the hair fall. And kind of brush it through. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. We'll see you guys really soon.